This is Moto E3 Power, and I just give you the briefly introduction for this mobile. It's a charging port, and here we have a front camera and power on off button and volume rockers. Here we have a camera with flash and headset port, and here we have a charging port. And I just open this mobile, power on off button.
Configuration.
I just tell you the specifications of this mobile. It's a notification. Here we have a notification, and I just open the settings about phone. You can see here we have a model number and model name. It's a Moto E3 Power. It's a 5-inch display with HD. It's not full HD, it's only HD 720 into 1280, and it's a 8 megapixel and 2 GB RAM with 3500 mAh battery backup. It's a budget phone, and mobile weight is 153.5 grams, and Android version is 6.0. Chipset is it's a processor is quad-core processor 1.0 gigahertz, and internal memory is 16 GB with 2 GB RAM. Secondary camera is 5 it's a 5 megapixel, and the primary camera is 8 megapixel. Yeah, just taking the pic. It's a 8 megapixel with auto flash and LED flash also is there. Auto focus and LED flash. We have multi-touch option also. This is a 5-inch display. We can handle with one hand also. Yeah, it's cool, and it's a budget phone. I hope. Yeah.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరిబాబు లేదంటే ఫోన్లే సార్ ఏం ఆగు మీద పై ఏ రవి